Here's a brief video on how to use the editing software Pastel. When you receive the link, open it up, open up a new window, paste it, and the screen will go just like this. So in your case, you're going to be looking at your own website that you'll be editing. For our case, we're going to use our own. So this is the opening screen. If you click anywhere on the screen to edit something, it's going to ask you to add your name and email. You don't have to register or anything like that. You just add your name and email, continue. That'll send us a note who this person is, what edits you made. All right, so once you're in here, you're just looking at your website. Anywhere on the site you can click and write notes about. So say in this heading, we want to change the heading. You just type in the notes, change heading to whatever you like. Then hit post comment, and that saves it so we can see it. So you work down the page, anything you want, the more specific the better. You can change this image, just click, put your notes here. Now, if you really want to get specific, if you want to change this image to a different image, you can add the file here, right? Just add it from your desktop, and then we'll be able to see that. When you want to browse, so right now you're in commenting mode, so you see down here, if you want to browse it, meaning seeing like other parts of the website, hit browse. Now you're viewing it just as a normal website, right? So let's say we wanted to go to the design page. We're in here. We want to make edits on it. So you switch it back to comments, and there you go. So say like change button text to ... Write in what you want. All right, so when you're done, come down here, hit finish review, just hit request changes, and then hit submit review. You can put any notes in here if you want, but hit submit review. We will get a copy of that, and we'll be able to go in and see everything that you did and let you know if we had any questions. And that's it.